Hey guys, why do you need a lawyer to get a divorce? This is a common question that people always ask me because when they got married, they just have to go through the procedure in JPN and then after that they are married. So when they want to dissolve the marriage, when they want to get a divorce, why can't they do the same thing? Why do they have to get a lawyer and go through the court procedure? So in this video, I will be giving 5 main reasons why a lawyer is almost always necessary to be involved in order to get the divorce to be filed properly. The first reason would be that the terms of divorce needs to be established clearly in the petition. For instance, what would be the arrangement for the custody of the children, whether it's a joint custody or full custody given to one parent, and then what would be the access and visitation arrangement to the other spouse, and then how much will the maintenance be for the child. So all of this needs to be properly and carefully stated in the divorce petition so that everything is recorded in the petition to avoid any unnecessary argument later on in the future. The second reason is that you need to know what are your rights. For instance, as a wife, you have a right to claim for wife's maintenance, and if the husband has not been paying child maintenance, you may have a right to claim for arrears in child maintenance. And if there's domestic violence, then how do you get protection order from the police? And if the abuse is done only mentally, then how do you get protection, or what are your rights against such abuse? Also, what are the children's rights in terms of their education, insurance and medical bills? On the other hand, as a husband, what are your rights as the father of the children? Is it true that custody will always be given to the mother? There are many other legal issues which will need a lawyer's expertise in giving you a comprehensive and full explanation as to what are your rights. Naturally, the third reason is that you will need to protect your rights. If you decide to represent yourself in court without appointing any lawyer, you might get caught off guard because you are not familiar with the court procedure. Hence, simply knowing your rights may not be enough because you will need a good lawyer to help you to protect your rights. Next, whether a divorce is amicable or not, you will need a lawyer to negotiate on your behalf. If you and your partner are still in talking terms, then this may not be relevant. However, more often than not, couples who are going through a divorce are not in speaking terms. Hence, you will need a good lawyer to speak or write on your behalf to negotiate for an amicable settlement. An amicable settlement in a divorce case is always preferred in order to avoid any unnecessary costs in settling the matter. The last reason would be so that you will have a peace of mind. Going through a divorce is without any doubt a difficult and painful process. Hiring the right lawyer will indeed help you in going through this difficult chapter in your life. You will have less to worry about talking to your spouse about the divorce or about what is required in order to protect your right as the wife or husband in the marriage. Everything considered, it is possible for you to file for a divorce without appointing a lawyer. However, it is generally not advisable as your previous other half may have a better legal understanding than you, and this might result in you getting suppressed by your previous other half. Thank you guys for reaching the end of this video, and I do hope that this will give you a clarification on why do you need a lawyer to file for a divorce.